I'm here with the Relife Rebuild Your Life diff bar, so let's start putting these together. So these handles already feel really sturdy with a nice and soft grip here. It comes with the Allen wrench and a book with the easy steps. Okay, so first up are the legs. Easily put this over it. It is height adjustable, so you can have it to 2 different heights. Lay that down for a minute and then add these screws and washers on there. Now once we've done that, we can do the second leg, screw those in as well. So these are really sturdy feet here. Rubbers, sturdy rubbers, so it's pretty cool. And now we can do a second one. Now you see these little holes here, that means you can attach the 2 together. You can use them separately or attach the 2 together to have some more stability. So this is like the knob where you can put them further apart or close together. So you can definitely use these on their own. Are pretty sturdy, but if you may be new, just starting out, or just want a little bit more stability, you can definitely use this bar in the middle here. Easily attach that in here, and then you can decide how far apart you want them using these screws right here with the easy release system, which is quite a nifty system. Just release that and then you can remove the bar here, and then they offer a lot more stability.